find the sum of the given series. So the series is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 up to n terms. So what will be the logic of this series? We can see that our first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 4, fourth term is 7. Fine. So what is the common difference? The common difference, we can see that this is first term. So first term to second term, the difference is 1. The difference is 1. For second to third, the difference is 2. For third to fourth, the difference is 3. Next term will be 11. Then the difference will be 4, and so on. So whatever the term, that will be the difference. Let's draw the flowchart for better understanding. We take the input, enter number of term to n. Enter number of term to n. Now let first term be a, that is 1. Let first term be a, that is 1. We are moving to n terms. So for that we have to consider a counter variable. Let the counter variable be I, that is 1. That is 1. We will check the condition whether it is less than or equal to n or not. If this is true, so what will we do? We will add the number a. So for that we have to consider a sum variable. So here we consider a sum variable. In sum, initially it is stored 0 because we haven't find the sum of any number till now. So now we are going to find sum. So sum will be sum plus a. Sum will be sum plus a. Sum will be sum plus a. Now what will be our next term? Our next term will be a plus that number of term, that is I, because we can see that difference between first to second is 1, second to third is 2, third to fourth is 3, fourth to fifth is 4. So the difference is number of term. So till now we have considered only one term. So next term will be greater than only 1. So 2 is greater than 1 by 1. Fine. Now we have reached to our second term. So I will be I plus 1, and this will loop up to n time. If the condition goes false, then print the sum. Then sum will be printed and the process will be stopped. Let's do the dry run. Let n be 4. So initially we have a equals to 0, 1, sum equal to 0, I equal to 1. So at first time condition goes true, that is I less than equal to 4. So our first task will be sum equals to sum plus a, that is sum equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. A equals to a plus I, that is 1 plus 1, that will be 2. I will be plus 1, that is 2. So Next condition, 2 less than equal to 4, that is also true. Then sum will be sum plus a, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. A will be a plus I, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4, and I will iterate. Third condition, sum will be sum plus a, that is 3 plus 4, that will be 7. That will be 7. A will be a plus I, that is 4 plus 3, that is also 7, and I will be 4. Now 4 less than equal to 4, that is also true. So sum will be sum plus a, that is 7 plus 7, that is 14. That is 14. Now a will be a plus I, that is 11, and this will be 5. Now 5 less than equal to 4, that is false. So our sum is 14 up to n term. In this given flowchart, our fourth term is 1, 2, 4, 7. Add this fourth term, the answer will be 14.